All right, hello. Hopefully you can understand this. I'm gonna review this video to make sure it's clear and eligible and visible to you and others. I'm doing this for a few other people, but I'm going to use this specific account for an example. The reason why, just to be clear, I can't set this up for you directly because I don't have the credentials. Unless I created these accounts for you, I don't have your username and password to get in. So that's the only way to connect these is with by you entering in your username and password. And I'd rather not have your username and password so I don't get blamed for something later on, if you want the honest opinion. So that's why I ask people to do this themselves. It's fairly easy. I'll send you a new access. If you haven't been into your account yet, I'll send you a new access to get into it. Just let me know if you haven't. I'll send you an email. It's just going to be it's a verification email. You go log in, you enter in your email address, create a password, and then you're in. Once you're in, you'll see your account. Let's just use this as an example. You'll see your name up here. You go down to marketing, and I'm doing this video so you can refer to it later and stop it and pause it and go through the process. It's relatively easy. You go to marketing, let's say it opens up automatically. Let's say it opens up into something, I think it goes to business profile. So just go to the part that says settings at the bottom and go down to marketing. When you're in marketing, you have these tabs up here. Social Planner is the first one. Okay, and then what you got to do is you got to click into, let's say you're going to integrate Facebook. Well, it's going to open up Facebook. You're going to have to enter in your password and username and password and email. Um, and I can't do that from this side without it. I could do it for you if you gave me the username and password. If I could do it incognito, possibly. I think I've done that. It's been a while. But all you got to do is click on each one of them. All of them are the same. Google Business Profile, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube. Those are the ones I recommend. You can do others. We can work on those later. This one costs money. I don't recommend that one. Pinterest is good for images to gain a following, but if you don't have a lot of images and you don't post a lot, it's hard to gain the algorithms in your favor. Blue Sky's not used a whole lot, although it's owned by, I believe, Facebook. Our Thread is as well. And Thread has its value at points, but just stay with these four. Facebook, well, six. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Google Business Profile, and LinkedIn. And I have another video how to create a Google Business Profile if you don't know how to do that. But there's that. I'll send you this video. It's relatively, once they're connected, it'll look, well, do I have one that's handy to show you? I'll show you mine. Um, Once it's connected, it's pretty straightforward. It'll show you right here that they're connected in the list. Um, and in the settings right here, it'll show, so you can unconnect, you can unlink one if you want, disable for a short period, things of that nature. So this is how you verify the social media platform, getting your social media platforms integrated with Go High Level. And after you do that, let's talk more. I'll send you this email address or a verification of email for access to the account, and I'll send you this video. And it's My Business Automated and MBA-100K. Look forward to talking to you more. Thanks. Bye.